Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Quantum Ideas. So today we'll be solving some of the DSAT math problems related to volumes. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see number one. So we are provided with the cylinder. So we can see here its diameter is 4 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. Okay, let's read the question. So in the figure above, a cylindrical block of wood is sliced into two pieces as shown by the dash curve. What is the volume of the top piece in the cubic centimeters? Okay, so we have given a cylindrical block of wood and it is sliced exactly into two parts, and it is asking us to find the volume of this top piece. That means since it is sliced into half, you can see here from the figure, the total volume of the top piece will be half of the whole volume, right? So what we can do, we can find the volume of the cylinder and divide it by 2 to find the volume of the top piece. So what is the volume of cylinder? So if you don't know the volume of the cylinder, don't worry, you will be provided with the formula already in your reference sheet. Okay, so let's get started. So volume of the cylinder, okay, let me use this color. So volume of the cylinder is equals to pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cylinder and h is the height. Since this is the diameter, so radius of the cylinder will be half of the 4, that will be 2, right? So this is 2 square, and height of the cylinder is what, 5. So this is 2 to 4 5 20. So 20 pi is the volume of the cylinder, and the volume of this top piece is what, half of this, right? So the volume will be 20 pi over half. This is equals to 10 pi. So the volume of the top piece is 10 pi. Okay, let's move to number 2. A container in the shape of a right circular cylinder shown above is just large enough to fit exactly 3 tennis balls, each with a radius of 2 inches. If the container were emptied out and filled to the top with water, what will be the volume of water in the cubic inches held by the container? Okay, so there are 3 tennis ball of each of radius r, and what they are doing is now they are taking these 3 tennis ball outside of the cylinder, and now they are going to fill the cylinder, and it's asking us how much volume of water will that cylinder hold. Okay, so in order to find that, we have to find the volume of the cylinder, right? So we have to find the volume of cylinder. So what is the volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h. We know the radius of the cylinder, right? This is equals to ball's radius, that is 2. So what is the height? So in order to find the height, this is the height of the cylinder, see. So we have to use the radius of the ball to find the height. Since this is the what, radius of the ball, this is 2, right? This is also 2, this is center, so this is 2, 2, this is 2, and this is 2. So if you add all these radius, we will get the total height of the cylinder, that is 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 6 8 10 12. So this is the height of the cylinder is 12. So we have pi, what is radius is 2 square, into what is height is 12, that is 2 to 4 into 12 pi, that is equals to 48 pi is the volume of cylinder, and that is also the volume of the water, same. Okay, so that is 48 pi. Okay, let's go to number 3. James want to cover a rectangular box. Okay, you want to cover a rectangular box with wrapping paper. The box has a square base with an area of 25 square inches. The volume of the box is 100 cubic inches. How many square inches of wrapping paper will James need to exactly cover all faces of the box, including the top and bottom? Okay, let me draw a figure. So here is a rectangular, let's say, box. Okay, so this is a rectangular box. Okay, I think I made a little square. Okay, like this. Okay, 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 let me connect. Okay, I'm making a rectangular box, and this is the box the James have to cover with the wrapping papers, okay, from the all sides. So how many sides are there in this rectangular box? 6 sides, right? So you have to wrap all the 6 sides. So the, okay, let's check the other hints in the question. The box has a square base of area 25 square inches. So this is the base, right? This is the base and this base is a square with area is 25. If I want to find the side of the square, what I can do, let's say its side is L. So the area of the square is what? L is square. So L is what? If I take square root, that is 5. So the sides of this square is what? 5, 5, 5 and 5, right? The area of the base is 25, so all sides of the square is 25, and the area on the the surface on the top is also similar, right? Exactly same at the as the bottom. So this also 5, 5, 5, 5. So we get two sides, right? Two sides are square, each of area what? 25 and 25. So he need there 25 plus 25, that is 50. Okay, 50 square inches of wrapping paper. Now we have to find four more sides, right? There is another sides, right? So since it was what? Square base, so top and bottom uh, surface has what? Same area, but we have to find other four. So in order to find, we have to know the height of this rectangular box. So we have given the volume. So we know volume of the rectangular box is equal to length, right, width and height. So what is the volume is 100, what is length is 5, width is 5, we have to find the height. So height is equals to 100 over 5 into 5 is 25. So width is 4, this width is 4. So now let's find the area of its rectangle. Okay, this is one rectangle. Okay, so what is this area of that one rectangle? The area of that rectangle is equals to length into width, right? So 4 into 5, so 4 into 5 is what? 20. How many such rectangles are there? 1, 2, there is 3 and 4, right? 4. So area of those four rectangle will be, area of those four rectangle will be 20 into 4 is equals to 80. So how many area you have to wrap? 6 sides. 2 sides are square, right? 4 sides are rectangle. So add the total area 50 plus 80. So total area you have to wrap is 50 plus 80. So this is equals to 50. Let's use calculator. So this is 130. So 130 is your answer. Okay. So what we did, let me again recap it. So we have given the square base. It means the bottom and top squares have same area, so we say we added those to get 50, and we find the height of the other side for other rectangles, and then we use the area of rectangle to find total area of 4 rectangles. Okay, and we add both of 6 of those, right, to get the total wrapping area. Okay, let's move to number 4. A cylindrical water tank with a base radius of 4 feet and height of 6 feet can be filled in 3 hours. At that rate, how many hours will it take to fill a cylindrical water tank with a base of radius of 6 feet and height of 8 feet? So here the key is that at that rate means there will be the same rate. So we can use the proportions. Okay, so very easy. So right here volume. Okay, we can use direct proportion. So right here time. So we know that volume of what? Volume of this is cylindrical tank. Cylinder is pi r square h. So let's use the first condition. So what is the volume of the first tank? So volume of the first tank is equals to pi. What is radius? 4, right? 4 square into what is h is 6 feet. And how many time it takes? 3 hours. So time is 3 hour. So what is the volume of the second cylinder? That volume of second cylindrical water tank is pi. What is the radius? Okay, base radius of 6, that is 6 square into what is the height is 8, and we have to find the time, right? So time to fill, that is t. So what we can do, we can use the ratio, right? T by 3 is equals to V2 by V1, volume 1. Okay, so T2 or T by 3 is equals to V2 over V1. So this equals to what is V2? Pi 6 square is 36 into 8 divided over pi. 4 into 4 is 16 into 6. So T is equals to pi is gone. 3 into 36 into 8 divided over 16 into 6. Let me calculate first. 3 into 36 into 8 divided over 16 into 6. So this is 9. So 9 hour. So it will take 9 hour to fill the cylinder tank of the given volume, okay, at that given constant rate. So use the direct proportion here, because as the time increases, a number of volume of water filling the tank also increases. That's why, and the main key is this also, at that rate, so same rate. So we can use this proportion formula, guys. Okay, so let's move to number 5. Figure not drawn to scale. The concrete staircase shown above is built from a rectangular base, is 5 meter long and 6 meter wide. The 3 steps, there is 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, have dimensions and each one has rise. Okay, if the 3 step have equal dimension, okay, that's the key point, equal dimension, and each one has a rise of 0.2 meter. Okay, if the density of the concrete is 130 kilograms per cubic meter, what is the mass of the concrete staircase in kilogram? Density is the mass divided by volume. So density is mass divided by volume. What is the mass? So mass is, if volume go to that side, density into volume, and density is given 130 kilogram. So 130 kilogram into the volume of staircase. So we have to find the volume of staircase to find the mass of the staircase. So let's find the volume. So, and there is a key is that the 3 steps have equal dimensions and each one has a rise of 0.2 meters. So let me draw like this. Okay, this is the rise. Okay, little bit error. So this is the rise of the first, that is 0.2, right, and all have equal rise. So this is 0.2 means the second step also have the rise of 0.2. So this also 0.2 rise of this also 0.2, right? If that is 0.2, this is also 0.2, this is 0.2, and this is 0.2, and they have equal dimension, means since the total is 6, we can divide all the steps width as 2, right, since they have equal dimension. So total 6 is 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, now let's find the volume of each staircase. So volume will be equals to what will be volume? Volume is length, width, height. So that is 5 into 2 into 0.2 for the first staircase. Second staircase is also, its length is 5, right, 5, its width is 2, and its height is 0.4. So 5 into 2 into 0.4 plus, for third staircase the length is 5, right, width is 2, height is what, 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 is 0.6. So this is a calculator is calculated, 5 into 2 into 0.2 plus 5 into 2 into 0.4 plus 5 into 2 into 0.6 equals to 12. Okay, so total volume is 12. So we have the volume. Now multiply it with density, we'll get what, mass. So 130 into 12 is equals to 1560 is our volume. So 1560 B is our volume. Okay, so this much for today, guys. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that subscribe, like, share button. See you till the next video. Bye bye.